Well, since I'm kind of out of commission because my wrists still aren't well enough to, or healed enough for me to really apply much pressure, I made another change to my camera layout in the shop so that I can more easily change views. I added this arm here. It's on a Lazy Susan that's screwed to this brace up here. Small Lazy Susan. I've got a counterweight box built on that end because so much of it's sticking out over here. And now I can go all the way around the lathe, the big lathe, all the way over to here. And I can even focus this over here on the 2014 and get shots from there. So I think I'm going to be happy with that, and the counterweight system is working really well. I'm happy.